You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this dish from Thailand. If you want to learn more Thai cuisine vocabulary and names, stay tuned. I've got them all here. It means chicken in coconut milk or chicken coconut soup. Thai pronunciation, Tom Kha Gai. Tom Kha Gai. Alright, it's often spelled with a K to Kai, okay, and it sounds more like a K. Tom Kha Gai. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.